Hello beauties, this is Wangali with Two Chic Cheeks here to bring you a handbag unboxing from Coach. If you want to know what's in this bag, keep on watching. Well, we're just gonna jump into the goods. Today I am unboxing a handbag I got from Coach. Now I bought this handbag. It's been at least probably a month since I've had this handbag, and I just haven't had a chance to be able to sit down and do a video before I got ready to carry the handbag, which I was about to just go ahead and carry the handbag. And I said, no, I really do want to do an unboxing. So here we are today for me to do the unboxing. Well, I was looking for a handbag that would be versatile. I wanted to be a top handle, I wanted to be a crossbody, and I wanted to be able to wear it on my shoulder. Well, lo and behold, Coach came through, and I was able to purchase this handbag here. So we're gonna jump right on into this unboxing. No need of holding on to nothing. Let you know which handbag I bought. I'm gonna tell you, the handbag I bought, I've seen so many reviews on this handbag now, I don't know what to say. I'm like, oh wow, this little buddy is popular. So, well, it is right here in this little dust bag. So let's see what it is. And it is this baby right here. It is the Cassie. It is in like a black pebbled leather, gold hardware. You see the gold C. And it reminds you of what? The Louis Vuitton Pochette motifs. On the back, it has a pocket right here. It has a little tag on here, which I'll probably end up taking off, but it has the tag. It has the receipt on this side. And I'm gonna take off all this stuff because I am so ready to wear this handbag now. Oh, it is a nice size. I would call this for me like a small handbag because I really like large handbags. And let's take the stuff out of here. And I'm telling you, this purse has been so reviewed and reviewed. This is the inside. This is like a I guess it's a fabric, like micro fabric some sort. And then it's a burgundy color, and it has Coach embossed on it. Let me put it up a little closer, see if you can see. Then it has a back pocket, which then it has a zipper pocket right here. Back opening, has a middle section. And then it has the front. Oh, this is the middle section, and then there's a back section. I got this all confused. Back section, middle has the zipper, and then there's a front section. Oh wow, she is just cute. And she's a top handle. I realized one thing, I'm definitely a top handle girl. I do not mind carrying my bag in my hand, top handle, at all. I just had to come to the realization how much I love a top handle bag. And this one has a strap. Let's look at the strap. I was looking for, which I do have a Michael Kors bag, but I can only wear it shoulder. I can't wear it any other way. It's just shoulder. It's not, the strap is not long enough for me to be able to wear it crossbody. If I was able to wear that one crossbody, that would have been good, but it's not able to be done like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the strap on, which this is real, the gold is really nice on here. The hardware is gorgeous. I just mean gorgeous. It has 7 notches for you to adjust it so it can be as long or as short as you need your strap to be. Top handle. So this is really a nice size for me running errands and just an everyday sturdy handbag. Smells good. Smells nice and leathery. And then it has the back pocket, which is great to have. I can slide my phone in here and not have to open up the handbag to go in there for my phone. And I can just have this handbag as a nice, just move, you know, everyday kick around handbag. I am really, really in love with this handbag. I really like it. And I know it's such a boring color. Everybody think black is boring, but black works for me on an everyday basis. I mean, just running around doing my everyday tasks and stuff. Nice, take to work, and I mean, you don't have to, it's, the logo don't scream, or it's just simple black. And let me show you the leather on it. Oh my gosh, the leather is so nice. Get a real good picture of that. And like I say, the hardware on here is just gorgeous. Even right here, it says Coach right on this. It says Coach. Oh wow, it says Coach on the ring. So Coach is all on the hardware too, which is nice. It is really a nice bag. I'm so excited to be able to finally get ready to carry this. Now that I have shared this with you guys, I am just elated. I will have to come back on and tell you all how I got along with it, but I'm telling you, I think I'm going to do great with it. Oh, I'm going to tell you, let me go back over the inside again, because I missed a good little point in here. Okay, so this is the front. This is the larger compartment. It has a slip pocket here, a zipper pocket here, and then it has an opening slot in the back. Oh wow, is that not nice? So trying to make sure you get a chance to see it all. Then you open it, zipper, then there's a slip pocket, and then that's the front pocket. And what I like, this handbag is really going to be durable. It's nothing that you have to sit and, you know, you be like, oh my gosh, let me pamper it and baby it. You know, you can just run around, use it. I don't want to say abuse it, but you can kind of abuse it. And I think I paid, well, the handbag was $350, and I got an extra 10% off on the handbag. So I got the handbag for what, minus $35, so somewhere for $3 and some change, $325, somewhere in there, maybe a little less, $315 plus tax. But yeah, so this is my new baby. I cannot wait to start carrying her and taking some pictures and showing her on Instagram. But if you look at it from the side, you see like it's 3 sections to the purse. And this is the big section, 2 smaller sections right here. So yeah, she is really cute. Like I said, I cannot start fast enough in wearing this. I can't wait to wear her. Let me just delete that part because I said that wrong. But I cannot wait to start carrying her. I love top handle. I love multifunctional is what it is. I want anything that I can use multiple ways. It just makes it more worth your money. So yeah. Okay, I wanted to come back on real quick. For reference, I just want to tell you, I am 6 feet tall for reference. And I did not change the strap. So I left it on the setting that it came in. So it's 3 on this side, 3 on this end on the setting. So I'm in the middle. It's in the middle. So it's 3 on this end, 3 on this end. And there it is right there. So I left the setting the same way. I didn't change it at all. So that's me at 6 feet. I would like to thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, you just happen to come about my channel, Thank you for stopping by. I hope that you take the time to just peruse through some of my videos and subscribe. You can just go ahead, click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any videos I do. And if you've been here a few times before and you still have not subscribed, I think you might like me. So why don't you go ahead and subscribe? It don't take nothing but click, click, click. There you go. You're subscribed, see? And for all my old subbies, thank you so much for being there and coming and enjoying my channel. I thank you. Well, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye. So now, my shots.
I'm low-key in love. I'm low-key